Hello everyone, welcome to the Solv Payable demo. This is Johnny from Solv Protocol. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what Solv Payable is, what it does, and then I'll give you a quick walkthrough of this product. Solv Payable, or Payable Token, is a type of blockchain asset powered by the ERC-3525 token standard that allows a crypto-native entity to borrow liquidity by creating and issuing a token on Solv and pay back the principal and interest later through the token. Crypto-native institutions, like market makers, can borrow assets by issuing a payable token on Solv and use the proceeds to provide liquidity to an exchange. Lenders who have purchased the payable receive the right to redeem their investments later. Once an underwriter or Solv matches the borrower's capital needs with the right lenders, the borrower can go ahead and issue a payable token to get their financing. The issuing process is very simple. Let's go over it. In the homepage of Solv Payable, click on the Create button on the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to the groundwork page. Here, you can select the type of interest you'd like your payable to yield over time, credit enhancing measures, as well as whether your token will convert to a specific asset at a certain time to reward the lenders with an upside. Each combination will lead to the protocol creating a brand new smart contract to implement that combination. For simplicity, we'll go with a fixed rate yield with custody and no convertibility. Next, in the Borrow Details page, the borrower is able to customize the amount they'd like to borrow, the coupon rate, and the interest accrual period, which includes a start date and a term. The description page allows the borrower to customize the title and the description for the issuance, which is usually a few sentences stating who the borrower is and how the proceeds will be used. After the issuance is completed, this information will be made accessible to the Solv lenders. The step for credit enhancement is the highlight of Solv Payable, for it allows the borrower to implement one or several credit enhancing measures in order to build up the credit profile for their issuance. As a result, this will make the issuance far more attractive than alternative DeFi investments to lenders who favor transparency above all. In this version of Solv Payable, crypto market makers can choose to integrate a centralized custody solution, such as Binance or OKX, to demonstrate to the lenders that the proceeds from a sale will be strictly used for market making or other stated purposes. Decentralized exchange market makers on Uniswap, for example, can integrate Kobo that uses multi-signature solutions instead. After selecting the custody type, fill in the deposit address, UID, and APY key provided by the custody service, and you're good to go. The Sale Details page is the final step where the borrower can customize when the issuance will be available for purchase and for how long. The deposit address is the blockchain address that will receive the proceeds from the sale. The borrower can set a specific range for the amount individual lenders can invest in and, if needed, add a whitelist to the sale. Once everything's filled in, go ahead and create an issuance. Note here that all active and past issuances Solv Payable can be viewed in the My Issuances page, where further actions such as modifying the whitelist or canceling the sale are available. To purchase an already issued payable token, simply click on the Payable in Issuances. Here, you'll find all the information about the sale, borrow details, and more. Expanding issuance details, borrowers can look more closely at the sale, including the visualized balance of the custodied funds. This information is updated on a regular basis to provide buyers or payable holders with the most up-to-date information on the status of funds, enabling even greater visibility and transparency. Clicking on the issuer's ID will bring you to the issuer's public page, showing historical data on the total value issued as well as total value repaid by the issuer. This allows buyers to look into the issuer's on-chain repayment history for the most informed investment decisions. Finally, insert the value in the amount bar to purchase a fraction of the token. After the purchase, buyers can view their holdings in the My Portfolio page, where they can check the details of a holding or redeem the token if the holding has already been repaid. Roadshow is an open-to-all RFQ feature within Solv Payable that lets borrowers or lenders list or onboard their credit capital needs through an underwriter. Potential counterparties interested in participating in the listed deal can send the underwriters inquiries through the Inquire box. This is not dissimilar to the traditional loan origination process, except that with Solv, both borrowers and lenders can bring their needs to the platform and advance their deals through a one-stop and user-friendly front end. Thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in using Solv to borrow or grow your assets, let us know by filling out the request form through the link in the description of this video. See you in the next one.